This home is pristine and in and out from the meticulously kept yard all the way throughout the home. This bright and open floorplan with vaulted cielings immediately feels like home. The gourmet kitchen has all new appliances as of 2020, and lots of cabinets along with a center island and pantry. The living room gas fireplace and wall of windows give plenty of opportunity to relax and enjoy. The front office is light and bright and has great natural lighting. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths make up the upper level with new carpet, July 2020, and a convenient laundry. The primary suite has a 5-piece bath and walk-in closet. Go into the newly finished basement for the perferct entertaining area. The roomy 3/4 bathroom and 4th bedroom make up the rest of the basement. The finished garage is tall and long and fits the owner's lifted Ram truck on top of the newly epoxied garage floor. Now to the manicured backyard with stamped concrete patio and sidewalk, fire pit area, and new shed. There are acreage properties behind this home, so no back neighbors looking down on you and mountain views. Look at the taxes, not near the normal taxes for a newer home like this.